Good afternoon to all, and welcome to today's class. And here we are going to cover the components of our, whatever the chemical reactions and the rate of reactions are there. The last class of the class of this particular topic. Next week onwards, next tomorrow onwards, will be the what our physical science lessons. All the students, we are at page number 29. The level 2 questions are there on molecularity and order of the reactions. of a second order, third order, first order, half order, zeroth order. We already discussed the synopsis and we are completed the level 1 questions in that. We are making the level 2 and level 3 questions today. And there is about the level 2 questions here now. The whatever the fifth question it is. Already we are completed. I thought it is fifth question. The first order reaction, the half period is independent of. It is independent of initial concentration. It is independent of initial concentration. Why? Because there is taken there is a 2 half is a directly proportional to. Okay, now T half is a directly proportional to what we are consider half time is a directly proportional to a to the power of n minus 1. Okay, clear or not? And here there is a when we are taken here T half, the n is equal to become the what the first order means what it is a to the power of 1 minus 1. The T half is a directly proportional to a to the power of 0. Means what the concentration at the 0 level also it will be works. Means what it is independent of concentration. Okay, the answer is become what it is independent of initial concentration. There is a fifth answer is what A. Okay, na independent of initial concentration. The reason is this. Got it or not? Yeah, this is only the fifth question answer. Yeah, next there is a sixth one. What they given the equation they given as O2 plus O plus M grams given. Yes, and here it is a M is not a molecular it is. Yes, and it is a formed as a ozone. O3 grams and the plus M is given. Okay, clear or not? There it is not a molecular here. There is only how many molecules are involved in this? 2 molecules are involved. That's why there it is about bimolecular only. Okay, now O2 and the oxygen individually is involved here. Yes, and that is why there is a 2 molecules are involved, and that's why there is the molecularity is a C. The 2 molecularity is a bimolecularity it is. Okay, now how many molecules are involved? 2 oxygens are involved in this. Yes, next after this seventh question. Yeah, the given one NO3 plus CO and gives rise NO2 plus CO2. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a we required molecularity and as well as the order. Both are required for us. What we required here, there is a molecularity is required and as well as order is also required. Molecularity and as well as the order both are required here, and the molecularity is equal is taken as what here as how many molecules are involved in this? There is a 2 molecules. One is NO3, another one is the carbon monoxide is involved, and as well as there is a what nitrous oxide is involved. There is a 2 things are only involved. That's why the molecularity is become 2. You know very well what is the rate law. How to write the rate law? Simple thing only. You have to take there is a K. R is equal to take an as K into NO3 into CO. This is only called what a rate law. Okay, clear or not? What is not order? There is a rate law. There is the rate law. The rate law R is equal to written as K NO3 and as well as the CO. Got it or not? This is only we are considered here. Next, after this, we have there is a whatever the 8th question answer is there. Okay, the 8th question is the written as the rate law they given. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Yeah, the rate law is given. What is that given here? The rate constant of first order process that has half life is 225 is what actually? You know very well. What is the formula for a first order T half? The T half is equal to taken as the formula for us T half for a first order is equal to 0.693 by K. Got it or not? 0.693 by k it is. There is given what? The T half is a given. Here T half is equal to 225, which implies k is equal to become what now from this formula? 0.693 by T half. Got it done? Now k is equal to become what? 0.693 by 225. Got it done? Got it done? Now it is also written as 0.693. It is also written as 693 into 10 to the power of 3 minus 3. Writable or not it is? Yeah. Minus 3. I have taken the all these points after a decimal, whatever the three components are there, it will be taken front. Okay, now? Yes, that is automatically minus 3 and 225 angles. Got it or not? Approximation 225 into 3. What is that? 675. Okay, na? That is nearby answer you have to select it. That is answer is to become 3.08 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is only the constant one. Then eighth answer is the what? The eighth answer is A. Answer is A for a eighth one. For a seventh answer is the D. As a given that. Please note down these all answers and hints. Yeah, next. After this ninth question, in this one only, level 2, ninth question. Yeah, simple thing only it is 2N2O5 gives rise 4NO2 plus oxygen they given. Got it or not? This is only the given here, and they have what about asked about the what actually here. They about asked about the what is the yes rate law here. Okay, rate law for the reaction rate. Which one? The first order. Simple thing only. There is what we have to take here. There is a K R is equal to K into N to the power of O5. What is that? Yes, there is a 2. Okay, clear or not? This is only the answer is B. The rate law is a become. This is only for the first order. Okay, now in case it is a zeroth order, we may check it is a 0. Concentration may 0. But the given whatever the things are given, that is only how to write. Yes, and the simply R is equal to K into N to the power of into O5. Okay, na 1 to the power of 2. That is only the rate law. The answer is what it is? Answer is the B. You have to write it. Answer is as B. Okay, clear or not? Also. Next, the level 3. In the level 3, there is a whatever the 10th question it is there, the same as the 8th question. Okay, one check it. Same as the 8th question. There is no change in that. The same answer. That is answer is become what? Answer is A only. There no change in the question actually. Why they are given? I am not understood. There is a what? 10th question. You have to write the same answer as the 8th. Okay, na? Yes. Same equal to 8th question in the level 3 question. The 10th answer. Okay, na? Next, after this. Very important question it is. The given one equation, linked question it is, linked answers are there. There is a 11th question, 12th question, 13th question, 14th question. They all are linked with that, whatever the table is given here. Okay, clear or not? Yes. If you are completed, and I want to rough the total thing. I require the total board now. Okay, for a complete answers. Okay, completed here up to yeah. Now I am going with that total. The table is required for us compulsory for a completion of this one. Level 3 question, 11th one onwards. What they given? The given one equation. What the equation is given? Yes. ClO2 and plus OH minus and gives rise ClO3 minus and plus ClO2 yes plus H2O plus H2. This is only the equation they given, and in this experiment they given the what the trials. These are what actually trials they consider. First trial, second trial, and as well as the third trial. Yes, first trial, second trial, third trial. Okay, now in this one, the given molarity and the concentration of this the first component, chloride, oxygen, and next one is the concentration of OH minus ions, and finally we have taken a product concentration also. The rate is given here for this concentration, and in case the concentration be taken as 0.60, and the next we have taken 0.020, 0.020, and the next concentrations for OH is taken as 0.30, 0.030, 0.040, 90 they consider. And the rate is a varied like yes, a meter for molarity for a second. It is taken as a what? 0.0248, 0.00276 only we get, and there is a 0.00828. Once check it, there is a the rate may decreases. Okay, clear or not? The time is changing based on the whatever the concentration changes we are considering. Got it? This is only about the what given problem. Now the 11th question answer. Everyone must and should complete by that. Okay, now what is the 11th question? One step in. What is the order of the reaction with respect to SClO2? What is the order it is? Directly don't say 2 it is. Okay, now you are set directly at 2. Why? Because the given equation based. Okay, now it is also correct only. The 2 is answer correct, but never correct every time it is. When they given molarity values, you should compulsory take account of these things. Okay, now by using these things only you have to consider. Okay, now any of the two things you have to take and compare it, you get the what is the order of the reaction. For the finding of it, you have to check it once. There is what you have to take here. And taken there is the first trial and as well as the second trial. Okay, first trial and as well as the second trial you have to take here. First trial and as well as you have to take a second trial. Okay, 0.060, 0.020. Okay, got it up. And here, whatever the first trial is there, whatever the second trial is there, in this one, what we have here, there is a 0.060 is a one of the molarity concentration is there, and as well as there is a one more concentration is a what we have 0.020 concentration. The ratio you have to find out. Okay, next there is the compare this ratio with the what? Compare this ratio with the rate. Okay, now at that time there is get the order. Okay, clear or not? You know very well. What is the fundamental formula? The rate is equal to c to the power of n. Okay, this is only the fundamental formula. In this one, there is a k is the constant. Okay, throughout the reaction, what is that? Rate constant is the constant only. Here, the rate constant is not varied. R is equal to k into c to the power of n. Got it or no? Now you find out there is a first, there is a what is the yes, the concentration ratios, and it is made equal to the rate. Okay, na this is the rate, na. Okay, na first you have to take a c to the power of n. What it is that? Got it or no? And now there are both are. The next we are concentrate rate. Rate compare with it is the rate. Now you get it. One second. Yes. Here it is the what? 3. Got it up. Now we take the what? What is the ratio between the first trial and the second trial rate? What is that is 0.0248 by 0.00276. Okay, it is approximation you get it as a value of 8.9. Okay, now this will be taken as 9. Okay, once compare it is 9 is equal to k into S3 to the power of n. Okay, if k is equal to 1 somewhat, first order somewhat. Okay, clear or not? Now it become what? 3 to the power of n is equal to 9. Then n is equal to become what? 2 or not? N is equal to or not? Why? Because 3 square is equal to 9. That is why the order is become 2. In this way, you have to calculate. Got it or not? You take any of the order. Okay, first trial or second trial, whatever may be any of the two orders, you have to take it and make like this. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Write down, please. Write down it is. For finding order. For finding order. Okay, for finding order. For finding order, Yes. Take ratios of concentrations of a trial 1 and 2. Of a trial 1 by trial 1 and 2. Okay, it will become what? It will become 0.060 by 0.020. It is equal to 3. Okay. And take ratios of rates. Ratios of rates. That is become 0.0248 by 0.0276. It is equal to 9. Yes, we know that R is equal to K into C to the power of N. Here K is a constant. Then if K is equal to 1, then what will we get? R is equal to C to the power of N, which implies what we have to write. Okay, now that is 9 is equal to C to the power of N. Here R is equal to how much? 9. What is the concentration ratio? Yes, C. That is about 3 to the power of N. Then N is equal to 2. And answer is what for the 11th one? B. B, not D. Answer for 11th one is D. Students, please complete it. Yeah, next the 12th one. Next 12th question. Yeah, there is the same process you have to follow for it. Okay, na? But when you look it is directly, it look like one only. The one is only answer. Okay, na? Yes, but your artist should know why we get it is the right answer one. Okay, I am taking the concentration of not 1 and 2. One check it for your convenience purpose. I am taking here. There is a 2 and other 3 I am taken. Got it? 2 and other 3 I am taken. That automatically the values are changes. Okay, one second. What is the 2 and 3 for this OH purpose we are taken now? The 12th question. What is the order of OH minus 1? And now that it is also written as what is the 0.090 by 0.030. Okay, it is equal to become what? 3. Understand all of you? I am taking the trial of these two things actually. Okay, na? Trial 3 and as well as the 2. Okay, here also you take about trial 3 and as well as the 2. That is also become what? 0.00828 by 0.00276. It is also become what? 3. Once check it approximately, it is equal to 3 only. Now, if k is equal to 1, these all are common. Now, once check it. Yes, here 3 and it is a 3 to the power of n. N is equal to become what? 1. In this way, we have to calculate the orders. Any of the ratios are given molarity based concentrations. Here the concentration ratios you have to take here and the rate concentrations you have to take here and you have to check it is with the what our rate law. Okay, now you take k is equal to 1, there is no problem. K is equal directly proportional value only. Okay, now but you take it as a 1 when they given like these problems. In case they given in a tabular form. Okay, otherwise in case they are not given in tabular format directly they given a reaction, you go through directly, no problem. Okay, simply write it is a 2 or it is a 1. Yeah, that is one. Yes, the next 13th one, whatever 13th one, overall order become what? 2 plus 1. Simply the answer is 3. Okay, now overall order is become what? 3. Reactant 1 order is a 2. Reactant 2 order is a 1. That's why 2 plus 1. That is become answer is 3. Please note down this 12th one. Note down 12th one. Yeah, next 13th answer is 13th answer is overall order is equal to 2 plus 1. It is equal to 3. Yes, 2 is for first reactant, 2 is for what? ClO2, 2 ClO2. 1 is for what? OH minus. Okay, na? Then it will become 3. Got it? This is the 13th answer. Is not on the 13th answer. Next, the 14th one somewhat difficult. Then next. All the students. What is the 14th one they given? The 14th one answer is what is the magnitude of the rate constant for the reaction? Here we have to find out the rate constant for reaction. Now the overall reaction, what is the rate constant? We are used one, again as usually for here, but that is not a one, it is a contain somewhat a value. How to find out that value for a given values? Okay, now yes, now that it is taken as what? Rate is equal to taken as what we are considered for this equation. Rate is equal to be taken as K into ClO2 to the power of 2. Okay, clear or not? And as well as OH minus, that is equal to what? 1. Concentration of the ClO2 to the power of 2 and OH to the power of 1 into K. That is only R now. Now what we required? The K value is required for us. What we required? The K value is required for us. Then how to calculate the K value? Okay, how to calculate the K value? Any one of the things we are considered totally, you have to consider this one, otherwise this one, otherwise the third experiment. Any one of the values you have to take it here and substitute in that equation, you get it. K is equal to taken as rate by, okay now, Cl O2 concentration to the power of 2, OH, okay now, concentration to the power of 1. Okay now, suppose I am taken trial 1 here. What I am taken? Trial 1. For a trial 1. Yeah, check it. K is equal to, what is the rate given? 0.0248 it is. What is the rate they given? 0.0248. What is the concentration they given? 0.060 to the power of 2. Okay, why? Because we have the concentration is a 2 here. And next one we have considered 0.030. Got it? This is only about the concentration we are considering. Now there is a K is equal to, now become what actually? That is 0.0248, and it is also written as 0.036, 6 whole square it is. Okay now, into 0.030. Okay now, you calculate it, you'll get his answer as 230. Okay now, once do it now. There is, you get what? 230. Okay now, yes, answer is what? K value 230. The 14th answer is this C. 14th answer is C. 13th answer is D. This is only the answers for the what? Answers for the given question. For a one question is only contain about 4 sub questions. Now, one second, there is the ratios of the things are important. You have to know how to write the rate law, how to find out the rate constant, how to find out the order when they given different types of experiment. Okay, don't confuse when they given like this table. Okay, somewhat it looks hard. Not it is a hard. You have to take a trials of any one of them. Okay, now when you want to find out there is a order, at last you have to take a 2 trials. When you want to find out the rate constant, at last you have to take a 1 trial. Okay, now like that you have to take the values and the ratios, and depending on the whatever the formulas are contained. Okay, now based on the formulas you have to move. R is equal to C to the power of n. That is the give the what? N order. Okay, clear or not? Yes, in this way you have to go calculate that whatever the orders and whatever the, okay now, yes, molecularities and whatever the rate constant, like that. Okay now, this is only that our first unit. Okay now, IIT advanced practice sheet, whatever there, it will be very easy. When you read the synopsis, you get the so many things. Okay now, yes, from the so many, there is no hard problem is there in this our whatever the IIT advanced, compare with the level 3. Once you try it is for it. And the 15th question answer is simply the 3A gives rise to B plus C. Okay now, what is the 3A gives rise to B plus C? Okay now, yes, be a zero order reaction. For the zero order reaction, we written there is a what it is. Yes, we written there is a for a zeroth order. Simply R is equal to K into A to the power of 0. Okay, when we write the concentration to the power of 0, the rate of reaction remains same at any concentration of A. That is only the correct statement here. The remaining is not a correct statement. Okay, now what they given? Zeroth order. For the zeroth order, what is the rate of reaction? What is the rate of the reaction? Power of the order of the rate of reaction is 0. Then the rate is not depending on the concentration. Whatever the concentration for A it is there, the rate is remains same for the zeroth order. For the zeroth order. Got it or not? That's why the answer is for that B. 15th answer is what? 15th answer is B. Okay, clear or not? In this way, you have to solve that all the answers. Okay, now of IIT advanced. If you have any queries, please reply to me. Okay, now any question is not get for you in the IIT advanced sheet, reply to. And this is about a molecularity, order, and half time, like that. Okay, got it or? Yeah. And tomorrow onwards, we go through the. We are going to the second lesson in our physics. Okay, now that is a 2-dimensional motion. All the students, you are not discussed the IIT foundation in 8th class. There is a given in a two-dimensional motion directly after the 8th class lesson. Okay, that's why we are go through somewhat a 8th class lesson. Then after only we are entering into the lesson. We need to enter into the lesson. Okay, clear or not? Directly they given the what? Why? Because in a 8th class the topic already there in a 8th class IIT foundation in our textbooks. Now presently that topic is only going for your 8th class your sisters and brothers, whatever 8th class sisters and brothers are. Okay, the same topic, the projectile motion. Okay, clear or not? And they given directly somewhat formulas only for you. Okay, the formulas already solved in 8th class textbook on. Yes, if you have any reference to require to the solutions of that 8th class formulas, you take a 8th class textbook. In that one, every solution it is there. How it will be get. Okay, clear or not? But I want to explain there is a what is the projectile body, how we consider the projectile body. Then after we'll go with that part, whatever the formulas direct. Okay, thank you. Be ready for tomorrow's physics lesson.